Rainwater carries things like leaves, sand, rubber particles, fuel, lubricants, and household garbage down the drain. Once, PFAS, hazardous chemicals which come from plastics, were found in rainwater. To address this issue, a special road surface with a filter system has been developed. In certain cases, this system can completely replace the storm drainage system. It has a capacity of 300 liters per square meter. Moreover, it's beneficial for installation workers and logistic contractors because it weighs only 43 kilograms per square meter. The road surface comes in widths ranging from 1 to 4.2 meters and can handle a maximum load of 5 tons, which makes it suitable for pedestrian areas and parking lots alike. This year, the east coast of the United States experienced extremely powerful snowfalls, described by a meteorologist as a once-in-a-generation event. In California alone, a staggering 12 meters of snow fell during the season, which is equivalent to the height of a 4-story house. This highlights the importance of the following systems, which are already installed and used in Holland. This system can melt 2.5 centimeters of snow in 1 hour at a temperature of around -7 degrees Celsius, with a pumping speed of about 18,000 liters per minute. This eliminates the need for chemicals to clear snow on sidewalks, hiring additional cleaning staff, and dealing with complaints from residents about slippery streets. No snow means no problems. Moreover, the system is easy to expand. The Dutch have successfully implemented heated streets and sidewalks, covering 64,000 square meters. Do you live in a big city and are accustomed to road noise? Well, according to the WHO, noise pollution is a significant threat that many people underestimate. The consequences range from depression and stress to hearing loss and cognitive impairment. The manufacturers of these barriers also explain that road noise is highly irritating. Here's a 2-in-1 solution: noise protection combined with solar power. It's an excellent choice for highways. The Netherlands has already installed a 5-meter high and 400-meter long barrier. These barriers have a lifespan of over 30 years and can reduce noise levels down to 50 to 65 decibels. In 2015, there were 974 million cars worldwide. Traffic can be intense, like in this 22-lane highway in Canada, where around 500,000 cars pass each day. To manage traffic effectively, a Canadian company offers a comprehensive solution. It includes automatic signs, barriers, and lane blocking systems for on-site and remote control. This system is speedy for closing lanes for repairs or redirecting traffic during accidents or bad weather. For example, a rotating barrier up to 5.5 meters long activates fully in about 25 seconds. One can control everything using a remote control with a range of up to 1.6 kilometers, or from a PC or a smartphone. The German company Siemens seems to have time for everything. For example, not so long ago, they developed a new wind turbine generator and announced a $183 million plant in Singapore. They also found time for smart cities and created the Omni-LED crosswalk poles. These poles use sensors to turn on when pedestrians appear and illuminate the crosswalk, making it more visible to drivers. A similar version called OmniFlow was implemented by a Portuguese team. These smart poles are already installed in Belgium and serve multiple functions. They generate wind and solar energy, collect data on air quality, provide Wi-Fi, have cameras and audio communication, and allow you to charge your gadgets. The OmniConnect cloud system helps control and analyze the data, allowing for quick alarms if needed. Electric cars are becoming increasingly popular, with experts predicting that they'll make up around half of all car sales by 2026. While some companies are busy developing new models, others are creating charging systems specifically for electric vehicles. Today, let's take a look at the progress made by an Israeli team. Their idea is to embed copper coils in the asphalt, allowing energy to be transmitted to cars on the road using magnetic induction. And it's already working. In 2021, they successfully installed this system in a 1.6-kilometer stretch of road in Sweden, providing a power output of 70 kilowatts and effortlessly charging a 40-ton truck. In 2024, a similar charging road will be built in Detroit, USA, and reviews indicate that this is an excellent solution for buses, and rightly so. The company secured a $2 million contract with a major bus operator in Israel. According to the WHO, traffic accidents result in up to 50 million injuries every year. Pedestrians are particularly vulnerable, so different experts consistently emphasize how important it is to protect people on the streets. Temporary protective barriers are a popular choice, especially for large-scale events like marathons and concerts. These barriers can be deployed in 10 to 30 minutes and are capable of stopping even trucks. Some models can withstand weights of up to 7.2 tons at speeds of around 32 kilometers per hour. Environmental considerations have not been overlooked either, as one manufacturer utilizes recycled rubber for their barriers, resulting in a block weighing a modest 49 kilograms. Additionally, customers have the option to add branding, built-in lighting, and even people counters. Imagine this scenario. You're waiting at a crosswalk for the green light when a truck rushes by, creating a powerful gust of air that nearly knocks you off balance. While this experience is unpleasant, it can also be harnessed for something useful. For instance, this wind generator can produce energy from the airflow. This innovative technology utilizes both natural wind and the turbulence caused by trucks, buses, and cars, making it relevant both within and outside the city. Through testing, they were able to generate a kilowatt-hour of energy. The wind generator incorporates a modular system that includes Wi-Fi stations, traffic control systems, air analyzers, and even earthquake sensors. Its creators secured the first place in the Mercedes-Benz startup competition in Turkey, and their brainchild has also garnered interest in the EU. Let's wish them good luck and fair winds. Tunnels often pose challenges for drivers, particularly truck drivers. So, China has come up with a solution. A system that uses LED tracks to mark cars. Even in low-light conditions, drivers can see each other and plan their maneuvers while maintaining a safe distance. If a vehicle stops, a warning signal appears at the tunnel entrance, visible from a distance of 200 meters. The system can withstand temperatures ranging from -20 to +80 degrees Celsius and offers IP65 dust and water protection, the same for many modern smartphones. The Taiwanese LEDs used in the system have a lifespan of 100,000 hours. With China's extensive highway network stretching around 5.3 million kilometers as of last year, this system is expected to be very popular. Next up is a mobile Roadblocker, designed to assist in setting up temporary checkpoints. Its transportation and installation process is straightforward: 4 wheels, 2 jacks. There's no need for roadbed drilling, and it can be installed on the ground. The most advanced version weighs 2.2 tons. As a result, installation takes only minutes. Integration with GSM and RFID systems adds convenience for security guards, as the Roadblocker can be opened with cards or key fobs. The standard model has a maximum size of 0.9 by 4 meters, but the manufacturer also offers custom versions. Activation is quick, taking 4 to 6 seconds, and the system can be powered by solar power, a battery, or mains electricity. Thanks to its reliable hydraulic mechanism, the manufacturer won the Best Security Barrier Systems Award. In 2021, an interesting statistic regarding traffic accidents emerged online. Despite the decline in driving during the pandemic, the number of accidents actually increased. The US National Highway Traffic Safety Administration report suggests that one reason for this is an increase in speeding and driving under the influence. To protect people from people, it is crucial to install advanced safety barriers. These barriers feature sliding sections that effectively absorb energy from impacts involving various types of vehicles, from passenger cars to trucks. The chances of survival are higher with these barriers in place. In tests, a passenger car collided with the barrier at 100 km per hour, and even the windshield remained intact. The standard section of the barrier is 6.4 meters long and weighs approximately a ton. Installing and repairing these barriers is much easier compared to conventional ones, and their design meets the MASH crash test standard. Thoroughly checking road conditions is essential, and now robots are ready to assist in this task. This hard-working Chinese robot can inspect approximately 7,500 square meters of roadway in just an hour. It identifies defects like cracks, fractures, loose soil, and voids, even up to depths of 3 to 5 meters. The robot uses a combination of cameras, radars, sensors, and a 3-meter range obstacle avoidance system for navigation. It can operate for 8 hours straight on a single charge. It's so efficient that it even inspects the runways at Beijing Daxing International Airport, one of the largest airports in the world. The collected data can be conveniently displayed online as appealing diagrams or analyzed by artificial intelligence. Moreover, the robot aids construction workers by providing precise estimations on how future buildings will impact the ground. As usual, let's talk about some revolutionary technologies. We have an interesting development to share. The creators of this new system for laying and collecting speed bumps have made quite an impression. Say goodbye to straining your hands. Now you can sit in the cabin and control the system with a joystick, just like in a computer game, using cameras for navigation. Each speed bump covers a stretch of 3.4 meters of road, and it's capable of handling loads up to approximately 36 tons while weighing only 48 kilograms. The installation speed is remarkable, with up to 3 speed bumps being placed in just 2.5 minutes, and the back of the vehicle stays empty. Additionally, the system can be mounted on a forklift. As a result, workers no longer need to venture onto the roadway, reducing the risk of injuries. According to the manufacturer, these advantages are revolutionary. What do you think? When it comes to guideposts, the experts on the screen believe they have the best offer. They provide Australia with the strongest guideposts in the world, capable of withstanding impacts from both sides and standing straight again. It's quite fascinating. What's more, installation using a jackhammer takes just 30 seconds, and the weight of the post starts at 1.3 kilograms. There are options available in both steel and polyurethane, and the posts can bend and return to their original shape at least 8 times. The company's also ready to supply guideposts to municipal customers and operates globally, from North America to Asia. Finally, take a look at these road lighting solutions that benefit both pedestrians and drivers. There are solar-powered versions that provide 120 hours of operation with only 10 hours of good weather. The settings are flexible, allowing for flashing, multicolored, or continuous lighting, and they can even be synchronized with traffic lights if desired. Certain models have a visibility range of up to 600 meters, with the operating temperature ranging from 80 to -20 degrees Celsius. These lighting solutions are manufactured in China, but the application is relevant worldwide. For instance, on a French intersection with regular markings, only 67% of drivers yield to pedestrians. But with illuminated markings, that number rises to 94%. Moreover, the visual impact is simply stunning, creating a captivating spectacle.